Hi, guys, and welcome to Usitility. In this particular video, you'll discover a simple method to experience your best Family Farm Seaside game even on a large screen, for instance laptop or computer. Installing this Android OS game on laptop is absolutely simple. I'll install this game on my PC to demonstrate all the steps. We should simply begin. To set up this game on computer, we've provided a URL for you in the description of this video. Here is the website link that you need to click. This URL will bring you to the page of Family Farm Seaside in BlueStacks. BlueStacks is actually the application we will use to download and install the game as well as play it on computer. It's an Android emulator, which emulates tablets or Android mobile phones, and we can use a keyboard and mouse, utilize a large screen, etc. This is actually the button to download Family Farm Seaside for PC. The downloaded file is here now. Open this saved file. In Windows 10, it will have asked us for agreement. We respond with yes and then accept. Reduce the browser tab in order to go to installation settings. We'll set up the directory where to install this game. Directory could be selected by just pressing Customize Installation. Then, just click here on Back and press Install Now. It is going to download a few megabytes. In case you have fast net connection, then the file will be downloaded very quickly. Now it will continue to installing the emulator. The installation is finished. Take into account that the desktop will take some time to make configurations for BlueStacks and also to start it, but the next time, it's going to start immediately. The next task is important. This is an option for Google Play. Sign in, you should just click here. Log in to Google Play by giving your email and password. It is important to log in if we want to install the game. See you after this particular step. We will enter in the email as well as password of our Google account, and that's it. Look, we have signed in our Google account. Click on I agree in order to accept the terms of use. It informs us that if we want to make a backup of our device in the cloud, we select no, you do what you want. The emulator works like a tablet or even cell phone, and that's why it displays same options as you can see in your mobile's Google Play account. Look, we have been here in our Google Play account now. When you would like to visit the desktop, click on this specific arrow. On the emulator screen, the icons of BlueStacks and also BlueStacks multi-instance will appear. BlueStacks icon is for starting BlueStacks app. Right after performing all of the crucial steps, we've finally gotten to the installation phase. We will head to Google Play and additionally click Install. Google Play may also ask you to set up the account and also the payment mode. We are really not going to buy anything at all, hence we can click the Skip option. Now, you will see, my PC is actually downloading Family Farm Seaside. In case you have fast net connection, it is not going to take so long as to download Family Farm Seaside. So, it is now done installing, and since you can view, it has now made an additional icon on the computer's desktop, Family Farm Seaside, which will let us connect to the game without having to start the BlueStacks. Just like all other apps that you open on your laptop, this Family Farm Seaside game will start after pressing this icon twice. You can even start the game through BlueStacks. I will click this BlueStacks icon to begin Family Farm Seaside. Here's an option to configure the keyboard configuration. As we aren't eager to change keyboard settings, therefore we will keep them as it is. To start with, I would like to tell you the two main big screen solutions. This is to maximize the emulator. You will have a full screen having a border. Even so, if you'd like to get 100% large screen, then this particular option is not suitable. Either you want to enter the full screen mode or perhaps exit, you need to click F11. Like that, we will be able to play in full screen without anything from Windows troubling us. It is obvious that playing any game in an emulator takes a lot of power, and so the performance depends on the power of your laptop. Now, I am going to let you know how to change the language. For this purpose, you are likely to check out Preferences. There are numerous languages readily available this game. And here it is. Anyways, this is the game setup. Really easy. We will keep posting such useful videos for you, therefore do not forget to subscribe to Usitility and give a thumb up to the video. Thanks a lot buddies for paying attention. I hope this video will be effective for those who have watched it thoroughly. Bye.